Thank you for that presentation. And please don't call me ma'am. I'm your age, I think. How old is everybody here, maximum? I just turned 23, so we're the same age. Woo! Thank you so much for having me. I'm very, very happy to be here and addressing this crowd who's... I consider you as my friends, all of you, because we're the same age. I don't know where to start. So I'm a student myself. I just finished my graduation. And all I want to say is that this life that you're living right now, your college life, this life is your most important period. You should really, really focus on your college life, because what I did is I missed out on my college years because I was very busy practicing kickboxing and karate and mixed martial arts. I had no time. My college was 2 hours away from where I used to live. I am not really from proper Bombay. I am from this place called Kalyan, which is sort of at the outskirts of Bombay. So I used to travel 2 hours for my college, but I had no time because I had to focus more on my sports. That was my first priority always. So I used to travel 2 hours for my college, but I had no time because I had to focus more on my sports. That was my first priority always.